Today, we performed dick surgery. As you can see here, we have our dick. Like any professional surgeon, we make the lines where we're going to make the small incision. See? Dick. Dick. Alright. All we gotta do. Oh. Stick.
I think you broke your knife.
No, see? Look, he's dripping. He's dripping.
Oh.
We have a puncture. One stiff motherfucker. Get it on there. Get it on there. We might have a puncture. Oh. As it all comes oozing out.
Oh,
That's how you perform dick surgery.